Hello.
Yeah.
I want to talk about music
Yes.
and the role it plays in how we feel. I know that we live in the now, but music takes me back to like great times, and so I love listening to certain songs or genres that bring me elation in now, but because of things that happened in the past.
You sure about that?
Yes.
So it's happening now, but it's about something other than now?
I guess it's the thought of what happened then that's kind of coming back to me through this song.
Or is it happening now?
What's happening now? Yes.
So why are we talking about then? It's disempowering to talk
Yeah.
about then. And then has other stuff in it. But then, like now, when you're dancing to that music, you're attached to source. When you felt that music, the way you felt that music, there was not resistance within you.
Absolutely
And
not.
now, when you're living it now, there's not resistance now either. But it's not because the past is coming into your now that you're feeling it. It was alignment then, and it's alignment now. Let that be
Right.
clean to you. In other words, I liked it then and I liked it now. And maybe one of the reasons that you really liked it is maybe you were just coming into your freedom. Maybe you were just making more decisions about who you really are. Maybe it was some of your first tastes of deliberate alignment. But just because you liked it then doesn't mean you're going to like it now. Now, don't you know that? Haven't you ever
That's
had a
right.
favorite song from then that when it plays now, you don't like it so much? Haven't you ever had a favorite song from them that brings back bad memories that you don't feel so good about? Well, that's because it disconnected you then and it's disconnecting you now because the vibration's where you last left it. So go on to what you wanted to talk about. Did we throw you completely off since your premise was flawed right from the bottom to the top?
I just want to go dancing. No. Okay, so I do have another question.
About music?
No.
Let us follow through with this just for
Okay.
a moment because it's a perfect spot for it. The thing about music that is so resonant with you is that it's something that you're interpreting at a deeper level than your thinking mechanism. Music gets you in the emotion. Music is a vibration that you're relating to that does not necessarily have to be translated through your thoughts. And so it's a purer vibration. Yeah.
I like that.